Do you know you can calculate your exact age in seconds without using any calculator, mobile app, or internet? This simple manual age calculation trick is useful for exams, school forms, job applications, and everyday life. Watch till the end, and you'll never need an age calculator again. Hello everyone, welcome back. Today you'll learn how to calculate age manually step by step in the easiest way possible. And if you ever want an instant automatic result, you can also use the free tool at tools.humanityapd.com. Let's start with the simple method. First step is very easy. Subtract your birth year from the current year. Example: if you were born in 2000 and the current year is 2026, 2000 equals 26 years. So your basic age is 26. But wait, this may not be your real age yet. Now check one important thing. Has your birthday already happened this year? Yes, your age is correct. No. Subtract one more year. Example: birthday in December 2000. Current date, March 2020. Birthday hasn't come yet. Real age, well, it's 25 years. This is the most common mistake people make. Want to know your exact age? Now calculate the months and days from your last birthday to today. Example: birth date, 15th of July 2000. Today, 10th of March 2026. From July to March, it's just 7 months, 23 days, approx. So exact age becomes 25 years, 7 months, 23 days. This method is often used in medical records, child development, and legal documents. Quick tip: leap years do not change your age in years. They only add one extra day in February. People born on 29 February usually celebrate on 28 Feb or 5th March in non-leap years, but their age still increases normally every year. Knowing this simple trick helps when you're in an exam without calculator, filling government or school forms, no internet or mobile access, doing quick mental math. It's a small skill, but extremely useful for life. And if you want to calculate your age instantly in one click, visit the free smart tool here, tools.humanityapd.com. You'll also find study tools, smart calculators, and learning resources for students, all free and easy to use. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more useful learning videos and smart study tools. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.